Hey everybody, Ian here from Fraser Ford in Cobourg. Today I just wanted to show you this new 2022 Ford F-150. It's getting delivered today and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you around it. So this is a XLT in space white and it has the Sport Appearance package. So the Sport Appearance package is really nice, especially with a lighter color like this space white. It gives you those nice dark alloy 20-inch rims. Those are an option. There's also 18s available as well. It gives you the nice darker running boards, the black grille, the nice body color bumper, body color door handles, and those dark accents really make this space white color pop. So it's a beautiful looking truck. So the equipment group on this vehicle, so it's an XLT, your equipment group is the high package. We call it the 302A package. And that's going to be, of course, the higher end equipment group that's available with this particular trim. So I'm going to go over some of the features that you're going to get with that. So starting on the outside here, you have LED turn signals that are actually also spotlights, so you can turn those on at night to light up a job site or a campsite. On the door handle, you've got intelligent access, so you can unlock and lock the door just by touching it and putting your hand in the door handle like that. You've got a keyless entry keypad there, so you can lock your keys in the vehicle if you like with the bottom two buttons, punch in your code, hop in, hit the push button start and drive off. Inside of the truck, you're going to get 10-way power adjustable seats on both sides. Seats are going to be heated as well. And this cloth material is a really nice, high-quality, durable cloth material as well. The steering wheel is leather wrapped, which feels a lot better on the hands, I find, than just some of the vinyl ones. It's got a folding shifter, which is a new feature that we started putting in these vehicles. You can fold that up and down just by hitting a button. That'll clear some space for you in the console for your lunch or clipboard or whatever you need to put there. We've also got a nice big 12-inch touchscreen display with Sync 4, so that's the latest version of our touchscreen software. It also has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This one happens to be equipped with a sunroof. The sunroof is an option. It's not standard with the 302A equipment group. In the back of the truck here, you got a nice flat load floor. I'm just going to fold this seat up for you so you can take a look at it. So great for sliding cargo in and out, tons of space for cargo if you do have cargo back here, and then lots of leg room if you're using that for passengers. There's also some power points in the console there as well. A 12 volt up top, a USB-C, a USB, and a 400 watt 3-prong power point. This truck has the short box, it's 5.5 feet. You can also get it with a 6.5 foot box as well. At the back of the truck, you're going to get a backup camera, which is standard on the F-150s. The 302A package, or the high package, also comes with backup sensors. And then as you can see, you've got a trailer hitch there as well. Now this has the full factory installed tow package. So that's going to give you the class 4 hitch, 4 and 7-pin wiring, upgraded rad, transmission oil cooler, trailer brake controller, trailer backup assist. It's a whole package that you can tow quite a bit of weight with, depending on the engine. The tailgate on this is also kind of cool. So when this comes down, you've got a workbench there. You've also got a tailgate step. So if you just hit this button right here, that pops out like so. You've got a handlebar that comes up, and that just makes it really easy to get in and out of the box. You've also got a couple accessories in the back here, or features rather. You've got a power point right there. It's another 3-prong 400 watt power point. You've got LED box lights there as well. You've got box link, which are these plates on the side of the box. Those allow you to add extra tie-down points or accessories like box dividers, box extenders, that sort of thing. You've also got a rear sliding window, a rear defrost as well, which comes in handy on days like today. So overall, a really nice, well-equipped truck. This is our most popular, I would say, trim level and our most popular equipment group. So this is what we sell the most of. It's a beautiful truck. That's the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT with the 302A high package.